Duplicate data in Excel can make your sheet messy and confusing. In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove duplicates step by step. We'll start with a simple case of one column and then move to a scenario with multiple columns. Imagine you have a column of student names, and some names are repeated. You just want each name to appear once. Here's how you can do it. Select the column with repeated names. Go to the Data tab on the top menu. Click on Remove Duplicates. Excel instantly keeps only the unique names and removes the repeated ones. But sometimes just checking one column is not enough. For example, let's say you have two columns, student name and course. You might want to remove duplicates only if both the student's name and their course are the same. In this case, looking at just one column could delete useful information. So, if you select both columns and use Remove Duplicates, Excel checks the entire row. That means it removes duplicates only when both the name and the course are repeated together. If the same student is enrolled in two different courses, Excel will keep both rows, because the combination is unique. This small feature makes a big difference in keeping your data clean and accurate. Use one column if you want uniqueness for that column alone, and multiple columns if you want uniqueness based on the full row. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel tips.